Oh, jeez. Just got smacked in the face with a leaf. That was nice. What should I say? You should say, hey, good morning from the rocky road. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Believe it or not, I'm not going skateboarding or 59. We're in Oslob, Cebu, headed to the whaleshark. I'm with Walter, as usual. Rented a motorbike. I'm sorry for the wind. If you can hear it, I don't have an a wind muff on my camera right now, so it's probably, I don't even know if you can hear me, to be honest. This morning, I am headed to a swim with not only the largest fish in the world, but also the largest shark in the lake. I sound like I'm on a radio right now because this road is so bumpy. Today is going to be my first time ever scuba diving, so I'm pretty pumped for that. We'll see how it goes. I'm a little nervous. I won't be too deep, so nothing too risky. It's 10 a.m. and we've already changed our plans about 3 times. We were originally going to go to Kawasan for canyoneering, but the other tourists that we were going to go with came down with a pretty bad sickness, so they will not be going today. We ended up changing our mind. On the agenda today is for going to the whaleshark, and then afterwards we're going to head to Tubular Falls. So pumped for both of them. It's a beautiful day. It's been raining the past 2 days, so I got to take advantage of the sun when you have it. So yeah, let's go diving with some whale sharks. We have arrived. The Marlboros. Walter and I are at school right now. We'll see you at the end of class.
Just a It was at this point that Celia waved me over to come check the level on the oxygen tank. This being my first time scuba diving, the thought hadn't even crossed my mind to check my oxygen. When I first got into the water, my oxygen was at 250 psi. After checking, we realized I was between 40 and 45 psi. The red level. Basically meaning we had to hurry and get out of the water while also taking our time with a slow ascent and decompression towards the surface. He handed me his extra breathing apparatus, and staying close to each other, we slowly ascended and made our way back to the shore. If it wasn't for Celio, who knows how I would have reacted once my oxygen became too low. Highly recommend Celio as an instructor if you ever plan on diving in Oslob like this. He's extremely patient while teaching, right there to help if any problems occur, and as a bonus, he's pretty good at getting some videos of you if you've got an underwater camera. Thank you, amigo.
Thank you guys, that was awesome.
Welcome to the Philippines.
It's more fun in the Philippines, yeah?
Yeah. More fun, more beautiful. This way. You're a blogger?
Trying to be. Beginning.
Yeah. Slowly. That was awesome.
That was awesome. Yeah. Huh? Good. A lot of water in my ears.
Good?
Yeah. We're back with Walter. We made it back safe. Guess what, guys? I survived. I made it back from scuba diving. Highly recommend. It was probably one of the funnest things that I have ever done. I got some awesome shots. As always, the instructors were great, the people were great, the food was great, not too expensive. But, oh, jeez, just got smacked in the face with a leaf. That was nice. If I can recommend anything, number one, always get Walter. He's the greatest tour guide there is. And obviously, doesn't mind me sitting too close to him. There's not too much room on the seats. He's the best tour guide in the business. And especially in the area, he knows the island inside and out. You will not go wrong with him. But yeah, definitely follow that first recommendation. And the second one, my instructor for scuba diving, his name was Celio. Get a hold of him as well if you guys do want to go scuba diving with the whale shark. He was phenomenal, he was great. Helped me with any problems that I had, and just a great teacher all around. Both snorkeling with the whale shark and scuba diving with the whale shark, both of them are awesome. Highly recommend. If I were to suggest one, it costs a bit more. It's about 2,500 peso to go scuba diving, and only about 500 to go snorkeling with the whale shark. Either one is great. With scuba diving, you're able to swim down with the whale shark, get under the whale shark, do some really cool, undershots where the whale shark is above you. You can swim next to it. You just have a lot more freedom scuba diving with the whale shark than you do with anything else. But either one of them is great, so you can't go wrong with either one of them. If you guys liked the if you guys liked the video, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Definitely helps me out. I guess that's all I got for you guys today. We'll see you scuba diving or paragliding or whatever the heck I'm doing next in the next one. See you guys.